The Teachers Federal Credit Union Visa Secured Credit Card is built for people who need a reliable way to build or rebuild credit. It works by requiring a deposit in a TFCU savings account, which becomes your credit line. There is no annual or monthly fee, a major plus compared to many secured cards that charge just to keep them open. The purchase APR ranges from 13% to 18%, which is far more competitive than the sky-high rates found on many subprime cards. On-time payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus, making it effective for boosting your score over time. A 25-day grace period means purchases can be paid off interest-free if the balance is cleared before the due date. Even the foreign transaction fee is modest, 1% for multi-currency transactions and 0.80% for single currency transactions. The downsides start with the credit union membership requirement, which can be a barrier for those who do not meet eligibility rules. Cash advances are pricey, with a fee of $5 or 3% of the amount, whichever is greater, making them an expensive way to access funds. The biggest consideration is the security interest. TFCU has the right to use funds from your deposit accounts to cover overdue card balances, excluding tax-advantaged accounts. And while the pricing is competitive, there is no rewards program. This card is purely a credit-building tool. In summary, TFCU Visa Secured Credit Card is a strong, low-cost way to safely establish or repair credit, provided membership is possible and balances are paid in full each month. It is best for those focused on credit improvement rather than earning rewards or relying on cash advances. The APR is still high enough to make carrying debt expensive, and the security interest adds extra risk if payments are missed, so disciplined use is essential to make the most of what it offers.